Police, open the door.
Yes, yes. Paradox. 1, 2.
Alright.
Open the door.
Team Omega. Locked, loaded, and fully equipped with 6 under the tongue. Quick raw, McRaw, Glock jaw, brought an extra clip in my lungs. Spit ridiculous sun drums like an itchy trigger finger. Pulling bullets on the pulpit, corporate's lies of shifty pistol slingers. Who told their Bibles and loaded rifle sights set on easy targets while I seek to feed the cartridge of these seeds to reap the harvest. Fiendish, greedy marksmen who better watch their manners before I cock back the hammer and leave the eating carpet. Please the bleeding hardship to let shots blast with grammar. One notch past your standard docks the self-made veteran. Walking contradiction like a well-paid reverend. Prep to wreck the set like a 12-gauge weapon. So tell me how that shell casing metal tastes, brethren. Set them straight with grace and faith up in the double pump. In case the trouble comes, I know that I can open wide my grill to kill it with the skills provided by the most on high.
Verbal assault. My aim is to finish Verbal assault. My aim is to finish with lyrics that come from tip of the tongue, now you strong.
This is a warning. Me with the safety zone. In the silence. I've been known to spray a rapid fire, slash a tire, sharp wit spin, kicking your pacifier. Grab a flyer and stand back. My show's a blast. Broken glass everywhere, stage covered in smoking gas. Any phonograph is fueling up my motor mouth. Always fully loaded, but I live inside a sober house. I'm a straight shooter down the business, serving everybody something hot to chew without the business. I know it sounds delicious, but this ain't a joke. Covered dot sick, just like a laser scope. Gotta stop. I'm all rappers, the only thing I'm packing is lunch. Call me after 9 and we can rap. Skills flex, you know I'm full of joints. Presentation is key, I only speak in bullet points.
Glock Show, you a class child. I'm unorthodox southpaw. Cinema guy, spit a Glock for a job. About to get knocked out. Better watch out, boy, we don't play. We'll make it and we hit the Glock Show, you a class child. I'm unorthodox southpaw. Cinema guy, spit a Glock for a job. About to get knocked out. Better watch out, boy, we don't play. We'll make it and we hit the
Lights, camera, black bandanas and stamina. Heat from east to west and south up to Canada. Nickel-plated jawbone, black powder mandible. I spit hollow tips, A-frames, whiptails, and cannonballs. Beware the blast radius when you
First
listen
shot
to
through
Omega.
my new,
Coming back like I'm avenging the dead, the rock raider. So pay close attention to the message that we're missing. These are shots to edify, not cause dissensioning. There's no missing of the target when the missiles heat sinking. Warning shots for the ones that are committed to high treason. Believing what the blind's leading, tripping where they're stepping. Omega uses only biblical tactical weapons. Better chances getting camels through the eye of the needle. Our community records just like a 50 cal Desert Eagle. Cool G-Rap maybe not the one with the bullet, but my mouth is a gun, it ain't on suckers, I pull it.
verbal assault. My aim is to finish verbal assault. My aim is to finish with lyrics that come from tip of the tongue, now you strong.
Nigga jacked up. Smoke pipe. On camera.
Glock Show, you a class child. I'm unorthodox southpaw. Cinema guy, spit a Glock for a job. About to get knocked out. Better watch out, boy, we don't play. Make it and we hit the Glock Show, you a class child. I'm unorthodox southpaw. Cinema guy, spit a Glock for a job. About to get knocked out. Better watch out, boy, we don't play. We'll make it and we hit the stage.
This is Glock 9mm 17.
Oh no.